And where you from? May I ask your name and where are you from?
Where I'm from?
Yeah. You from here?
Angola.
You are originally from Angola. Were you born in this country?
I grew up here.
Right. You just told me you're original from Angola. You're from this country. Where are your parents from? Where are your parents from?
Angola.
From?
Angola.
From Angola. So you're not from here, from Angola.
Yeah.
So what language do you speak?
English.
You speak English?
Yeah.
So, okay, what do you say? What do you think about what happened in this place? This is a funeral. The person that passed away, he passed away when he was 98 years old. What say you? What's your comment?
What's my comment? I would say it's a good record because it's hard for black people to get to that age. So I would say that's well done. For him to live for that long.
Right. You've been here, you were born in this place, you've been here long enough. 98 years old, not very often you see people dying at that age. An African dying at 98 years old. What's your comment? What do you think? Do you think African can reach more than that or less than that? What say you?
It depends on the lifestyle anyway.
Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Whoever, their life here is better than their life.
My dad is 80. Yeah, my dad is 80 and he's still going. He's 100. So you never know. It depends how you live. Because you can't compare Africa to Europe. Because the lifestyle they live in Africa is different to here. So if you compare hospitals in Africa and here, it's different
lifestyle.
Yeah, so
Right. May I ask your name? May I have your full name, please?
my full name, I cannot give you my full
Please do. I will appreciate because you said to me you were born in this place.
I'm good.
Well, if you say you belong in this place, your name meant to be in English.
That's personal.
That's special. You see? You've been caught. That was a trap for you. Thank you. Nice talking to you. Hello. May I ask your name, please? Your name, please.
My name is Samson.
Right. If I may, where are you from, please?
I was born in London, but my parents are from Angola.
From Angola too. You mean your parents from Angola? Right. Do you speak our language?
I don't speak Portuguese, but I understand Lingala.
You understand Lingala? Fine. Today is something that happening to do with a family. Someone passed away home.
Yeah.
He was 98 years old. What do you think an African passing away and dying at such an age?
I can't believe
98 years old?
Yeah.
Does it teach you something? Does it say anything to you? Does it mean anything to you?
I think it is an achievement to live so long, live the life that he did, experience such a wide breadth of experience of life, even at such an old age. It's actually quite fantastic. I hope to achieve it.
Yeah, but they say we don't often reach that age. It's an age for the white people, not for Africans.
I think it depends. I just think it depends on where you are in the world. And
So it
how you
depends.
are as a person as well. Like, say, if you look after yourself, you eat right, and especially in the place you're in, and the resources you have access to, then yeah,
Right.
that's all.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Everything you've said here, and the world going to see this. What say you? Are you okay with that or no?
I think it's fine, just as long as you hear you. Can you actually hear me?
I'm not the music, but I've been able to set up everything and be able to hear you. I hope you can hear me. Right. Little bit. Well, I hope that you'll be fine. I do my best that they can hear what you just say to me. You take care. You are Angolan. Are you proud of your nationality?
Pardon?
Are you proud of being Angolan?
Yeah.
You are.
I wish I knew Portuguese though.
Well,
I mean, there is always time to learn.
well, we'll come up with a Portuguese lesson on YouTube. I hope you follow it and learn. Right?
What's your name on YouTube?
I'll give it to you.